This is one of our science rotations. We are learning about natural resources, doing a gallery walk on the natural resources. We are using Aurasma, so the students hold the iPad up and it will launch a video. Double tap on the screen and they'll watch the entire video over the topic. Once they single tap on the screen, it'll link them to a Google Docs and they will take a quiz over each topic that they just watched a video over. This is one of our science rotations. We are learning about natural resources, doing a gallery walk on the natural resources. We are using Aurasma, so the students hold the iPad up and it will launch a video. Double tap on the screen and they'll watch the entire video over the topic. Once they single tap on the screen, it'll link them to a Google Docs and they will take a quiz over each topic that they just watched a video over. Here are the rest of our stations. This is a math station. Bethany, go ahead and tell them what you're doing.
We're making 3D shapes, like this is a cube, and this is a triangular prism.
And what are you going to make after you make all these shapes?
We're going to make a tree map and like that on the board. And it's going to talk about like our shapes and talk about the edges and the faces and the verses.
Good job. This is our school web station, and they are learning about geometric vocabulary. The first thing they did was go to a website and go over the vocabulary for geometry and play some games. And now Shashita is taking a quiz on school web. So Shashita, go ahead and tell them what happens when you get it correct.
If you get it wrong, then it says incorrect, and it makes the bottom line.
Okay, so if you're right, it turns green, and if it's wrong, it turns red. And how many attempts do you get on this quiz?
On this quiz, we got 2. Sometimes we get 2, and sometimes we get 1. So it differs on how hard the quiz is and how easy it is.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Here we have another computer station. So Rathika, go ahead and explain what's going on here.
I watched a brain pop, and once I'm finished, we're going to finish our math notes and then turn them in.
Okay, and what's brain pop about?
It's about the different types of triangles.
Perfect. Okay, this is another computer station that we have, and Claire is going to explain what we are doing here.
We have to do 5 games and 5 lessons a week. And then on here, this is Manga High. After we do fast math, we can come on here and we can try it.
Okay, so we have fast math and Manga High going on here. Thank you, Claire. Here's another math station that we have going on right now, and Miriam's going to explain what she's doing.
We are doing a flipbook on raise and angles.
Okay. Can you go ahead and open it up? And
we're going to put the definitions of raise and angles, and the types of angles, and how to read.
Claire.
All right, so we'll have some definitions and some illustrations going on. Thanks, Miriam. This is another station. It's a science station over landforms. So Ashwin, explain what you were doing.
So the inner core, I use marshmallows because they're solid and hard and they're little circles. And then solid metal, I use pudding and little more marshmallows because marshmallows are solid, and liquid metal is just pudding because pudding is liquid. So for the mantle, I used Ready Whip because it's flowing and it's also kind of hard at the same time. And for the crust, I used Oreo bits and graham crackers.
Okay. And then what do you get to do with it?
You get to eat that.
To eat it. And now, using that, what are you going to make?
We're gonna make a flip book with 8 snacks about landforms.
That one forms. Perfect. Thanks. Enjoy your dessert.